If you have fabric furniture such as these chairs or a couch that have stains and you want it to look like this is the perfect video to watch. We will use a Bissell machine to shampoo the stains out of the fabric. Please like and subscribe. And the device that we are going to use is the Bissell, this device, the Little Green Select. So we have these chairs that are only a year old, but we have a toddler who makes a lot of messes. So we have all this. Now this chair was already cleaned. It can be touched up more up here and right here. But this chair pretty much looked very similar to this chair beforehand. So first we poured a little bit of the Bissell Pro Oxy Spot and Stain and added some water into this. And now we're gonna spot clean it. So now you just take the water and the Oxy Spot and Stain mixture and just spot clean the areas that have a pretty good stain. Now what you can also do beforehand is vacuum the fabric to get like a better clean. So vacuum the fabric first. Using the toothbrush is really helpful, like a soft bristle one. What do you want to do up here? All the stains. And you gotta get back here. Now you only need to let this sit for about a couple minutes. Before you do the whole fabric, I would just test a little area first we already know that this solution works okay on this fabric. All right, so we're gonna let it soak for a couple minutes. This is the solution we use to clean the fabric with the machine. So you take the solution that you choose to use and pour it into this container. And it says, move your finger. There's a line on the container.
Formula.
That says formula, and then below it, it says...
Nothing, you don't need that.
Oh.
And then you fill it up to the water line up here.
Okay, so the solution goes up to this bottom.
This is where you fill the solution to, and then you fill it up with warm water to this water line.
Okay. The warning sign, it just said make sure you use a Bissell solution. So after you fill the container with the solution and the warm water, you put it right there. Plug in your device. So as you can see, my floor is getting soaked, but I wanted to show you that this is the lever that you press for the solution to squirt out, and then you can use the brush to kind of brush the fabric and get the stains out. And then you'll suck the solution out, but you can use the bristles to help. And then you just want to be careful because the spray does go all over the place. This is the finished product. It's still a little damp. It's not completely dry, so I don't know. I could probably spot clean some other areas like this. So I will show you what it looks like completely dry because it's a little damp. But much, much better. So this is the, if you lift and release this, it will have all of the dirty, I don't know if you could see that. See how dirty that is? The dirt that you just cleaned out. All that. Ugh, disgusting. And voila, this is the final product. Please make sure you like and subscribe.